Hello friends, in this video I am going to give a small introduction about these very important courses in India. Chartered Accountancy course, what we call it as CA, Cost and Management Accountancy course, what we call it as CMA, and another big thing, Company Secretaries course, that is CS. Three courses are being considered highly valuable courses in India as on date. So the people may think it is very tough and difficult task in achieving, in cracking these exams. So after there is a college or after 12th standard, so many of the students now they think of pursuing these courses, whether it is CA or CMA or CS courses. Okay. So some students they have enrolled themselves for the courses. After that they step back because they don't have such confidence to go further. So most of the students they have enrolled themselves for the coaching center. They have started reading. After that they started giving up these courses. I don't know why the people are going for giving up this type of these very valuable courses. You don't know the value after cracking these courses. This CA, CMA and CS is very highly qualified courses. So after cracking these exams, the life will be turned like anything. I'm going to give three D's. I'm going to give the three D's for studying CA, CMA and CS courses. What are the three D's required for in you for studying these courses? One is dream. The second one is design. The third one is determination and destination. This is the three D's. I'm making it three D's. First thing, dream of the course. It is not the push from your parents or your friends. You have to do CA. That is why I'm pulled. I am pushed to do this, sir. That is why I have enrolled myself for this course. No, you should have the dream to pursue this course. This is the world Asia's toughest course, CA course. These are the very toughest course. But see the value after cracking this exam. If you work hard for 36 months or that is 48 months, your entire life, the entire 48 years or 60 years or 75 years will be very happy. So the very short span of time, the hard work, your devotion and will yield you high return for 70 years. You see how value is this. So that is why, so the CA, these courses, the professional courses are considered the highly valuable courses in India. Okay, the first thing is you should have the dream. Dream means you should have the interest and involvement for pursuing the course. It is not because of my friends are doing, my parents compelled me to do. So not like that. You should have the passion. You should have the perseverance to do this course. That is very essential for this course. First, you should have the dream to become a cost accountant, to become a chartered accountant, to become a company secretary. Unless you don't have this, there is aspiration, there is aim. So you cannot succeed. So second one is design your path, design your route. So, okay, you have the dream. How to reach, what are the steps you supposed to take, you supposed to go along that way, then only you can reach the final destination. So you have to plan what are the routes, you have to, what are that is step by step, there is the work or the thing you supposed to take over. This is what design your path, what you are going to do, what are there is a study material you have to do. So what are the coaching you have to get, what the reference material you supposed to refer. So from where you get this type of materials. So many things you have to collect. You have to design there is the way towards the final destination. So if you are planned perfectly, definitely you will definitely reach the destination. That is the final stage. First I told in these courses I told very clearly, this is very toughest course. Damn sure it is the toughest course only. So it will yield high return. So in finance, we people used to say high risk, high return. If you take high risk, definitely high return will be there. Please do keep it in mind. There are 3 Ds. You have to dream for a big thing. You have to dream for the big thing, and you have to work hard. That is design for. So you have to work. That is hard work matters a lot in these professional courses. Hard work only matters. Only hard work matters. Hard work only matters. You can take it any other way. Okay. So you have to devote your time, your precious time. You have to sacrifice many things. So for attaining a big achievement, you have to sacrifice a lot. So one thing is dream. The second one is you have to design the way, the path. The third one, determination in achieving your target. That is, you will reach the destination. So you have to checkpoint, you have to control whether you have taken the right steps for reaching the destination. Yes, are you going in the right path? You have to very often ask yourself this question: Are you in a right position? Are you in the right way towards reaching the destination? You have to very often in this course, you have to ask this question. So these are the 3 Ds for studying, for taking up this very toughest and high yield courses in India. So I wish you all all the best for these aspiring courses. Have a aspiration, you have do hard work. Definitely one day you will become very big businessman, a chartered accountant, a cost accountant, or proud company secretary. Thank you. If you like my video, please like button and thumb